Your lip color talks a lot about the mood you're in and the kind of personality you hold. Your lipstick can either raise the bar of your look to a different level or completely ruin it. So, it's important to know what to bear in mind while picking the perfect shade for your pout. Your skin tone forms the base of what color lipstick you should wear. Girls with fairer skin tone should ideally opt for bright coral colors like mauves, reds or apricot, and stay far, far away from pale colors that have the tendency to make you look washed out. Those blessed with wheatish skin can carry almost any lip color, from nudes to darker to deeper shades like reds and wines. Dusky skin tones, on the other hand, complement brown and berry. So, opt for brick reds and caramel colors that flatter your complexion. So the next time around you step out lipstick shopping, remember these simple hacks to pick the perfect shade you can absolutely flaunt with full confidence. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to BeBeautiful.